My name is Wu Dang, and welcome back to my channel where I share knowledge. If you enjoy the content, I kindly request that you consider subscribing, liking, and sharing on the YouTube platform to help gain recognition. My ultimate goal is to spread knowledge and empower everyone. Thank you for your support. In this video, we will explore 10 fascinating insights into the culture and traditions of South Sudan. Introduction to South Sudanese Culture and Traditions. South Sudan has a rich cultural heritage, with traditions that have been passed down through generations. The country is home to diverse ethnic groups, each with their own customs, beliefs, and practices that make up the vibrant culture of South Sudan. In this article, we will explore 10 fascinating insights into the captivating world of South Sudanese culture and traditions. The importance of cultural diversity in South Sudan. Cultural diversity is at the core of South Sudanese society. With over 60 ethnic groups, each with their distinct language and customs, the country is a collection of traditions. This diversity not only brings pride, but also fosters unity and harmony among the people of South Sudan. Appreciating and celebrating cultural diversity is a testament to the nation's resilience and strength. Traditional clothing and fashion in South Sudan. Traditional clothing in South Sudan reflects the cultural identity and heritage of its people. Each ethnic group has its own unique style of clothing, often adorned with vibrant colors and intricate patterns. For example, the Dinka people wear a loose-fitting robe made from cotton called a tolo, while the Bari people favor the lutaya, a colorful wraparound skirt. These traditional garments not only allow for self-expression, but also symbolize unity and pride in one's cultural heritage. Traditional dances and music in South Sudan. Dance and music hold a special place in South Sudanese culture. Traditional dances are captivating displays of rhythm, movement, and storytelling. The Bongo dance, performed by the Zande people, is a lively and energetic celebration of community. Music accompanies these dances with traditional instruments such as drums, harps, and flutes, creating mesmerizing melodies that transport listeners to another time and place. Traditional food and cuisine in South Sudan. South Sudraditions of South Sudan.Anese cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors and ingredients influenced by the country's agricultural abundance and neighboring culinary traditions. Staple foods like sorghum, millet, and maize are commonly used in dishes such as asida, a thick porridge, and kisra, a type of flatbread. Meat, especially goat and chicken, is an important part of South Sudanese cuisine, often prepared in stews and grilled over an open fire. The cuisine reflects the country's cultural heritage and communal values, not just a means of sustenance. Rituals and ceremonies in South Sudanese